Hello and welcome back. All right, we're going to go ahead and continue this lesson with this image from the previous lesson. Again, it doesn't matter which image. We're just going to go over 3 ways not to convert your color images to black and white. So you may be wondering, why do I want to show you how not to convert to black and white? Well, there are some automatic options within Photoshop that will allow you to quickly convert to black and white. However, the majority of the time, it's not going to give you very good results. And you also have to decide, do you want to let Photoshop do black and white conversions for you automatically and make decisions for you creatively? Or do you want to be the creative artist and make decisions for your creative artwork? Plus, maybe in the future you come across a blog post or a lesson online somewhere about converting to black and white, and you may wonder why I didn't cover that method in this course. Plus, the methods are easily found within the menus. So again, you may wonder why I didn't choose to share that particular method with you. So let's go ahead and find out the 3 ways I do not recommend converting your color images to black and white. The first option we actually talked about in the last lesson, which is an automatic option, which is by going to Image Adjustments and selecting Desaturate. And then Photoshop will automatically convert that image to black and white. Personally, I never use this option because I find the results to be unacceptable for my artwork. If you do use this method, you're going to lose all control over your black and white conversions. And yes, it does give you quick results by allowing Photoshop to think for you. But as artists, we should be doing the thinking and applying just a little extra work to get a much better image. And as you're going to see in the next lesson, it really isn't all that much extra work. Okay, I'm going to undo that with Command or Control and the letter Z. And then the second option for not converting to black and white is another option for letting Photoshop think for you. And with this option, we are simply taking an RGB image and converting it to grayscale before we make the conversion. So let's select the Channels panel first to see what happens after the conversion. So we'll go up to Windows and select Channels. Then we're going to go up to Image, go to Mode, and then select Grayscale. And check this out. Photoshop is now giving us a warning. Do you want to discard color information? And it's basically saying, do you really want to do this? Maybe there's a better way to do it, which is to control the conversion, use Image Adjustments black and white. For this lesson, let's go ahead and just click Discard. So again, we have another color to black and white conversion. We get different results, and now we only have 1 channel versus the 4, and the end result really isn't all that inspiring. Okay, let's go ahead and do again with Command or Control and the letter Z. I'm going to close my Channels panel. All right, so let's go ahead and check out a third option for converting to black and white. We're going to go up to Image, Adjustments, Hue, and Saturation. And as you know, if you remove the saturation, you convert the image to black and white. Again, not very inspiring, and we're limited on the creative aspects of customizing this black and white image. Okay, so those are 3 ways I recommend not converting your color images to black and white. In the next lesson, I'm going to share with you my recommendations for converting your color images to black and white so you have full creative control over your images and can create more art-worthy, inspiring black and white conversions.